I decided to... Hey everyone, to celebrate the release of a new Zelda game, I decided to make a few Legend of Zelda 3D prints. If you're currently taking a break from playing the game right now, then check out these 3D prints. This figure of Link from Link's Awakening was uploaded to printables.com by Dubs49. I really love this model, mostly because Link's Awakening was my first Zelda game that I played way back in 1993. It was really easy to print and fun to put together. I might have to scale it up 500% and print a really big one. I also printed this Guardian from Breath of the Wild, uploaded by Crafty Sven. It's very much like the cute octopus, with the print-in-place articulating legs. This one is a little bit tricky to print. You'll want to make sure the first layer goes down good and adheres to the build surface. I lost a couple pieces during the print. Oh well, still looks really cool. And look at that dual color filament from Elegoo. Also uploaded by Crafty Sven, this Decayed Guardian is a planter. Now this thing is a really cool model, but too bad it's such a really large print for, such a small little pot plant. Still worth every gram of filament. This smaller cute Guardian comes from Rockstat TS. This one I assume is the popular cute octopus model with the head swapped. Not nearly as cool as Crafty Sven's Guardian, but this one's much easier to print. This one is the Master Sword uploaded by Poppin' Sickle, based on Breath of the Wild. I've printed a different Master Sword before, but my son lent me $20 to put towards buying Tears of the Kingdom, so I had to print him this Master Sword, scaled down to 75% for a child size. This model is much better than the previous one I printed. It has a lot more parts to print, but they fit together really well, and quick side note, don't expect good layer adhesion from silky PLAs. This Ocarina was one of my first prints. I don't remember who uploaded this model. I got it from Thingiverse. I'm pretty sure it was this one uploaded by Nimade in 2015. Well, how does it sound, you ask? Well... Do I really know how to play this thing? No. Someday, though. The crystal holder for this was uploaded by BuilderBot3D. I also printed this ocarina, the Poocarina, uploaded by Julius3E8. How does this one sound? Well... You thought I was going to put a fart joke in there, didn't you? Well, not today. Huh? This heart container was uploaded by Chris the Viola Nerd. It is designed to be a ring holder. It'd be great for Zelda fans who plan on proposing. I printed the outer shell on an Ender 3, but the inner shell I printed on an Elegoo Mars 2 resin printer with this red resin from Elegoo. This goddess statue was uploaded to my mini factory by 3D Central. This is just a really simple print, nothing too fancy. The glass bed on my CR10 V3 was getting pushed around quite a bit, and you could see where it shifted on the print. Well, I planned on painting this thing anyway, so just fill up the gaps with wood filler. Here's another goddess statue, this one from Crafty Sven. This one has a little storage compartment. For this one, I used Sunlu Marble PLA. Coming from Wee Mad Sausage is Majora's Mask with Woodgrain. Such an awesome model, I can't wait to paint it. Well, I have been waiting a long time, but in the spirit of Tears of the Kingdom, I'll have to get right on that. Here's a Princess Zelda statue from... Juka Sapinen? Yeah, 90% of the names I say will be pronounced wrong. Anyways, I printed this one with giant arms, glow-in-the-dark rainbow filament. which uses PLA. It's pretty neat stuff. I also have a smaller full body Zelda that I printed with a resin printer, then spray painted her gold. Now let's quickly go through some more models that I printed a long time ago. Well, that's about all I have time for at the moment. I hope you liked these prints as much as I did. I put links to these models in the description below if you'd like to try printing them yourself. And before you go back to exploring Hyrule, be sure to like and subscribe this video. And if you have any questions about the prints, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.